Good morning. Because you're deep side. So,
Something in my eye.
getting out there started. What's in your eye? Went blood?
What nose?
Oh, wipe your nose? You have nothing there. You have no snot or anything. And my Jordan, good morning. No. So we're heading to a doctor's appointment for Jerry. And we still have to make one for you, baby. Your chest, you still have your chest baby?
Bless you.
Bless you. You still have your chest baby?
On and off.
We still gotta make an appointment though.
No, you're going straight.
Oh, straight?
Yes.
A lot of people were saying, like, you know, it's funny that I was recommending that you go to the doctor when I don't like going to the doctor, but, you know, it's different for my lady. You know, something that she wants to do or she feels, it makes her feel better.
Daddy.
Yes? Yes, my Jordan? Yes? What? Jordan be knowing what she's saying yet. We're trying to catch up, you know. He's super advanced as my Joel. That my bowl. So what we going for? Ear infection thing? So we'll see you in a little bit, y'all.
Ear infection? No.
Oh, I thought you said for ear infection.
A hearing test.
Oh,
for
he can hear perfectly fine. He ignore people, but what do you think? He get it from daddy.
I think he'll be good.
I'm
But
good
he
at
was
ignoring. My Jordan, you in school? Yeah, you in school. Yeah. So we about to put our kids in school, y'all. About to drop them off. Starting school, y'all. Test your ears. You have a banana?
Just watch those hands for me. Everybody quiet. Perfect. I'll show you what this means on the screen here. I was testing 4 different tones. High pitch, and middle pitches, and the low pitch. And the green is the noise level, and the blue is the response from the ear, and I'm looking for there to be a big difference between
Oh, the
two.
response from the ear?
So the inner part of the ear, when we stimulate it with certain kinds of tones, it gives back a response, an acoustic response, and the machine can measure that. So the quieter it is, the faster it goes, because it's trying to separate the noise from the response. But he's got a good, strong, clear response at all 4 tones in both ears. So that's an indication that the inner ear, the cochlea, is doing what it should for the tones that we test, and those are the important tones for understanding speech. Okay. So it's kind of an indirect test of hearing, but we're able to determine if there's a hearing loss present or not. Except for very, very slight problems, it can overlook very slight things. So what we say is his hearing is adequate for communication on both sides. Where's the toothbrush? Yeah. Where's the football?
Football.
Where's the football? You see it? Football, yeah. Let's see. Where is the fire truck? You see the fire truck? Yeah. Where's the hot dog? Where's the hot dog?
Okay, I'll check. I'm okay.
Yeah. Where's the
I'll
ice cream?
I'll check when I get back to the office and let you know.
Ice
Okay.
cream.
Ice cream.
You saw it. Well, where's the rainbow?
Okay, thanks.
Rainbow, yay.
Rainbow.
That's enough.
He loves
Yeah.
it.
Okay. All right. Now look, I'm going to put your headphones on so you can listen. I'm going to talk to you and close the door. You hear my voice? Okay, I'm going to close the door. Yeah. Where's the hot dog? Hot dog. Very good. Okay, other ear. Listen. Where's the toothbrush? Where's the rainbow? Where's the football? football. Where's the fire truck? Very good. You did a perfect job. You're all done. Yay!
So mommy said there's no more excuses for Jerry ignoring us. But I said, man, it's a Jerry Levine thing, you know? That's just what we do.
My baby is a pro in selective hearing at age 2.
Because she said he passed with flying colors. She said he heard stuff that was below a whisper. Nigel. Arm in. Buckle. Put them together. Put them together. Put them together like this. Put them together. Put them together. There you go. Good job, Jordan. You did it on your own. Let's click. Boom. Put it right in your chest. Good to go. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Day now.
Yeah, you better wait.
Any day now.
You better wait.
Hurry up.
Because I open doors. You don't touch doors.
Dude, hurry up.
Because you're my lady. I got you, girl. There's always so many steps. Put the kids in, put D in, put the stroller in. There's so much work. And y'all say, why don't go to the gym? I don't need to with this family. This family keep me going. You know, yesterday I did baby throw-ups. That's what I call them. You know how they have like push-up, pull-ups?
Yeah.
I did baby throw-ups. Where you get down on your knee. I got down on my knee because of the ceiling is not that high. Because I would usually do it standing up. But you just pick them up and throw them in the air. Catch them, throw them in the air, catch them, throw them in the air. Ooh, my chest, my arms, everything was burning, y'all. Look, y'all. Get some juice. Jerry's turn. What do you say?
Good.
You're welcome. Get the juice. So it's technically Pedialyte. Give them some electrolytes, and I think it was recommended for constipation, or is that something else I think we use? But yeah, we do give them juice from time to time. We just don't want to make it a habit because that's all they ask for 1,000,000 times a day. So we don't want to, have juice heads. Another nice, cool breeze outside. God's artwork is looking amazing. Look above my head. Look up and give thanks. Look at that. Trees, the leaves blowing in the wind, Look at that swoop right there. Look at that. That's artwork right there. That's God's artwork right there. Be thankful to be alive today. Hopefully y'all enjoying this 4K. I know a lot of y'all cannot watch this in 4K because maybe your internet speed is not up to par, or maybe you're stealing Wi-Fi like I used to do. Hey, I'm not judging you. I judge myself. And but yeah, these definitely are in 4K, and you can see all my little pubic hairs on my face. You can see all my imperfections, my freckles, and my boogers in my nose. I got boogers. I could give y'all 60 frames per second, but I'd rather give y'all more pixels. That's for those that don't know what 4K is. It's just more pixels, bigger files, and I can handle that capability. But my joy is here. You're enjoying your juice. You enjoying your juice? We was at the school with the kids that we're gonna actually have to be there in our future, in our near future. We're taking them to school, or we're gonna homeschool. So we're still, up in the air about that. Goodbye, car. We're still up in the air about that. We're trying to just enjoy these moments while we can right now. We're gonna deal with it when we get to it.
One click.
Beautiful day today. Man, look at the waves. Look at the waves. Guys, artwork is supporting the day. Look at the waves. All done? Okay. Good job, Jerry. Y'all let me know what y'all did today to show love to somebody. Did y'all give anything today? Did you give money? Did you give your time? Did you give somebody like directions? Tell me what y'all did today that was helpful to somebody and just loving. Did you say, good morning to somebody when you saw them? Like, I don't know. Did you talk to your mom, your dad if you don't live with them? How you doing? Bicycle, that's right. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all do today to show love to somebody in your personal life, you know? Somebody you care about. Or who are you closest to in your family? They close to your mom, your sisters, who are you close to? If we're your family, you know, we're happy to have you. And we love having you. What? What's that mean? Oh, all done? Okay. Thank you. It's slow-mo shot time. Let's have some fun. About to take care of these dishes. I'm about to make them out. You know what I'm talking about? Here's before, and here's after. Woo! Stack it high, let them know you did something. And who's them? Whoever's in your house, whoever comes over to visit, they're gonna be like, woo, that boy know how to wash some dishes. So I'll talk about. So I did my thing. Dishes are clean. Counters, you can see in white. Woo! Woo! I like my counters clean, man. I don't know, it puts me in a space where I can think. I can't think when it's too much chaos and clutter. Like this floor. Like this house at all times. Look our living room, y'all. Look our living room. Yeah, don't judge us. Judge yourself. I'm gonna go ahead over here and try and get some work done on the videos. What the? I got this piece of power cable, whatever this is, keep going in and out on me, man. Cause this light keep going off and on, and it's on. And I press the reset button, all that. It's just old, man. Check out God's artwork though. My power surge protector thing go bad, you know? If you missed yesterday's video, we went on a double date with my cousin Brick. For all the ladies out there, he's still single. It's not his girl. I was mistaken. I thought that was his girl. Yeah, he's single, so y'all hit him up. Y'all go follow my cousin Brick on Instagram. It's in the more info box below. So just wanted to clarify that. He called and talked to me today and said, yeah, nah, that ain't him. So y'all holler at my cousin, all the single ladies out there. Do y'all think they can make R&B songs without features nowadays? I don't think it's possible anymore. Baby, 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 baby. Now it's driving me crazy. Woo!
Fire!